Hey everyone, with features that are more suited to outdoor enthusiasts, workers in tough conditions, and those who choose durability over high-end performance, the HOTWAV Hyper 7S is a rugged smartphone that was created with endurance and usefulness in mind. Even though it costs about $150, this inexpensive gadget manages to include some impressive features like a large battery, a sturdy body, and even one of the brightest camping flashlights built into a phone. The phone feels substantial, heavy, and reliable, and its internal metal frame adds structural strength. It weighs close to 400 grams and has a thickness of 19 millimeters. The device is rated IP68, IP69K, and MILSTD approved, guaranteeing durability against dust, water, and drops, and its matte back deters fingerprints. The Hyper 7S's massive 280 lux flashlight on the back, which also functions as a severe emergency or camping light, is one of its distinguishing characteristics. A programmable RGB notification LED is also located on the rear, close to the camera module. The design of the gadget is functional, featuring a shielded Type-C charging connector, volume controls, a programmable shortcut key, and a fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button on the side. Either two SIM cards or a SIM plus micro SD card can fit in the SIM tray. A 6.6-inch HD Plus panel with a refresh rate of 120 Hz serves as the display. The resolution and quality of the panel itself are mediocre, with restricted brightness and viewing angles. Despite the impressive higher refresh rate for this budget, rugged smartphones often have thick chins and huge bezels, which are not very attractive but don't take away from their usefulness. The front-facing camera is housed in a teardrop notch. The Hyper 7S's internal components include 256 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM, and the Unisoc T8200 chipset with 5G connectivity. Performance falls well into the budget range, with benchmark AnTuTu scores of about 587,000. While World of Tanks can run smoothly on medium graphics, games like Asphalt can be played on low graphics. The 10,800 mAh battery, which balances mobility and endurance, is the true standout feature. It takes roughly 3 hours to fully recharge using 20-watt charging. With moderate use and about 24 hours of continuous YouTube playback at medium brightness, the phone may easily survive 2 to 3 days on a single charge in real-world scenarios. The phone comes with Android 15, which has been slightly modified to use HOTWAV's skin. It comes with the Google Gemini Assistant pre-installed, NFC capability for mobile payments, and Google certification. One of the shortcomings is the cameras. The primary 21 megapixels rear sensor and the 8 megapixels front camera are functional, but not very stunning. They struggle in low light and produce passable images in good illumination. In the end, the HOTWAV Hyper 7S is designed with a particular user in mind. Gamers, photographers, and people seeking a slick phone design shouldn't use this one. Rather, it is intended for those who require a dependable, affordable, and long-lasting gadget that can endure challenging environments, operate for days, and offer minimal connectivity without sacrificing quality. It is ideal for hikers, field workers, or even military people who value endurance and communication because of its notable features, which include a torch, a large battery, a sturdy construction, and NFC compatibility. The Hyper 7S offers good value in the rugged phone market at this price range, despite the obvious trade-offs of its mediocre display and small cameras. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.